Hey there, today we're going to look at how to integrate your boards to a Zoom session. So let's get started. First, open your Miro board. Over here, look at the left side and click the plus button. After that, select the Marketplace option. Then click on Browse More Integrations. Over here, type Zoom in the search bar. After that, click on Miro for Zoom. Then click on Connect to link your Miro account with Zoom. Over here, log into your Zoom account. Then review the permissions and click Allow. After that, a prompt will appear asking to open your Zoom Meetings app. Click on it. Then in the Zoom app, click on Sign in to Miro. After that, click Add to allow the Miro app for Zoom. Then, if prompted again, open your Zoom apps. After that, go back to your Miro boards and select the one you want to embed. Then click on Embed Board. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.